Hi everybody, it's here. So if you're ready to see this month's yARNaBLE subscription box by Hypnotic Yarn, let's get to it. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was fortunate enough to get in on the subscription box by yARNaBLE. So this is actually by Hypnotic Yarns. Cheryl is the owner of Hypnotic Yarns, and she is also the independent dyer behind the brand. If you would like to know more information on Hypnotic Yarns and Cheryl, I highly suggest that you follow Hypnotic Yarns on Instagram as well as yARNaBLE. She opens the subscription box, I want to say 3 times a year that you can get on board. The next time will be in August. But this is June's box. So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I have been stalking the mail. So I have cut it open, and I have to admit that I did do the sneak peek online. Because I just had that. And I've already done the sneak peek for next month. But here's what we get. I'll show you that in a minute. So this month's extras come in this cute little organza bag. And you get this cute little card here, okay? And it says inside yARNaBLE. So this month we're based on wildflowers, bumblebees, fresh cut grass, and sun rays. Okay. There's a QR code on here, as well as a little scratch off for a discount. So if you want to buy extra yarns. So yeah, I definitely suggest you taking a look, like I said, at www.yarnable.net, as well as the Instagram yARNaBLE, as well as Hypnotic Yarns. So we got Sister Bee's Bee Food Wildflower Seed Blend. So these are wildflower seeds. I don't want to open them up, but it says locate a sunny spot, fill a pot 3/4 of a way with soil and compost, sprinkle in the seeds and soil, lightly cover, gently press down, water daily. sisterbees.com if you would like to know more information about these particular seeds. One thing that I love about the subscription box, just from watching other YouTube channels, is that the extras are extra. Excuse me. They're not like little cheesy extras. Cheryl goes out of her way to put together every box in a special way, to make you as the consumer feel valued. You know what I mean? And it's always some sort of theme. So you also get these adorable little stitch markers. Now, they are shaped like the honeycomb. Now, of course, if you are a crocheter, you would definitely have to have some sort of light bulb stitch marker like that, or you could get some of the little rings and just connect it. These are mainly for knitters, but crocheters can use them as well if you have something that you can attach it to. Okay, so honeycomb themed stitch markers, adorable, as well as the Naked Bee. So you see the theme here, right? This is hand sanitizer by the Naked Bee, and this is Orange Blossom Honey Scent. Let's see what it smells like. I don't even have to take the wrapper off. I can smell that. That smells scrumptious. So let me put all this back together in my adorable little organza bag. Pop that right back there in the box. And now for the yarn. Can you see those beautiful colors through that bag? How about a little tease? Alrighty, here we go. This month's yARNaBLE color is called Wildflowers. Oh my goodness. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Again, this is yARNaBLE by Hypnotic Yarns. Here are her handles for Instagram, as I was telling you. This particular color, like I said, is Wildflowers. This is on her plush sock base, which is a fingering weight. 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 437 yards or 100 grams. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Like, do I want to make socks? Or do I want to save it and make a sweater? I don't even know. But I absolutely love it. Also on her Instagram, on the yARNaBLE Instagram, if you go to her profile and hit her link that's in the profile, you can actually go to, it's a link that sends you to Ravelry, so you can see some of the projects that other people have made with the past month's subscriptions boxes. Don't want to show you my address. I am so happy I got on board with this, and I highly suggest that you guys follow Cheryl so that you know when she opens this up for new subscribers. If you haven't had a chance to check her out, please go ahead and do so. She also has what she calls an inner circle, which is kind of like a Patreon. Different levels, and then with that you are also sent yarn every month. I have not signed up for it yet, but I have done my research, which will be the next thing that I add from Hypnotic Yarns. I highly suggest you guys get on board because I promise you will not be disappointed. Okay, until next time, guys. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy looming, and happy hypnotic yarns. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.